Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the keyboard so emojis are available everywhere. Open Settings, go to General, then Keyboard. Once there, tap Keyboards to view installed keyboards. You add the emoji keyboard by selecting Add New Keyboard and choosing Emoji. This places the emoji icon in your keyboard switcher. After you add it, make sure the emoji entry appears in the list and is ordered where you want it. This affects quick switching. Once done, you can close Settings and move to a typing app to test it. You access emojis while typing by tapping the globe or smiley face on the keyboard. This switches from letters to the emoji panel. Use the category bar or swipe left-right to browse, and use the search field to find emojis by word. This saves time when you need specific icons. Tap an emoji to insert it. If a character has skin tones or gender options, long press the emoji to pick a variant. Once inserted, you can continue typing or switch back to the letter keyboard with the globe. You can speed up emoji use by creating text replacements. In Settings, General Keyboard Text Replacement, add a shortcut that expands to an emoji sequence. If emojis don't appear, make sure the emoji keyboard is still listed, then try toggling it off and on or rebooting the device. This resets temporary glitches. If problems persist, update iOS to get the latest emoji set and fixes. One tip: if an emoji shows as boxes, ask the recipient to update their software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.